Hi everyone, I'm Snehal and today I'm showing you my Capstone object detection program in Python using PictoBlox. Now in this particular program I have taken sprite 1 as the square box, you can see it here. Then second sprite is John and third sprite is my stage. In this case I'm importing time for delay in the getting result. Then I'm also using text to speech, object detection and pane for showing the object. And then as I'm having different backdrops, so I'm using for the backdrop the range from 0 to 5. My object detection will analyze the stage and then it will count how many objects are there, and sprite 2, that is John, will speak that how many objects are there. For those many count of objects, it will say number wise each object also and show it by the pen, stamp it by the pen. Then after that, after showing for one backdrop, I am taking the next backdrop. Okay. So now we'll see how the program actually looks. I will make the full screen now and then we'll start with the run all.
There are two objects here. Elephant. Zebra. There are 5 objects here. Person. 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 Car. There are 5 objects here. Bus. Car. 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 There are 2 objects here. Bicycle. Dog. There are 4 objects here. Car. Person. Bicycle. Person.
Now here my program ends. Okay.